Today I show you an interesting light from IKEA for your laptop or for your screen, for your computer screen. The Stankregn. That's weird. 55 lumens. It's a low power light, but it can sit on top of your screen, the monitor or the laptop, and it's really great for video calls. I believe this one, if you're making a lot of calls, if you're working remotely, or you just have lots of meetings and you want to look good in the videos, in the video calls, this is a nice option to have. And also I like that it has that ring light style, so within that ring light you could put the camera inside of that. I'm not sure, I didn't try it to see if that's gonna work, but maybe in the next model they will make it so it's easier to mount a camera within that ring light. So you could use this to make videos on the internet, also make YouTube videos like this, but the power is not very much. The good thing about not having too much power is that it's not going to be in your eyes a lot of power like that, so that's a good thing. The CRI rating on the IKEA lights, usually it's 90 plus, but this one looks really good. It's one of the best looking lights from IKEA that I really saw so far, and it's adjustable. You can do 2700 Kelvin, 3500, 4000 Kelvin, 5000 Kelvin. So I'm interested how to change that. I saw there are two buttons on it, so I'll show you right now how to change the light. It has two buttons on the back there. So I will put it back on the monitor on this laptop screen, and the way it sits on the screen, it's very intuitive. It's most like the usual camera mount, how most web cameras are mounted these days. It's a soft padding there, soft material to sit on top of the monitor, and it is adjustable, so you can adjust the angle. And here you have the buttons. I was a bit confused with these buttons, how they work. I thought I have to press them, but it looks like you just have to touch them lightly. It seems to be like one of those touch buttons without you have to press on it. It's just touch interface. And you can see when I change the colors, you will see here on the laptop keyboard, it's not a real laptop, it's just a display unit. It has one button to turn it on and off. It might have a dimming function, but I couldn't figure it out here. Usually a long press on one of the buttons will do that, but maybe I had to do a press on both buttons at the same time, I'm not sure. But that's how you turn it on and off. It's very easy to touch it, and also, yeah, it has to be on for the second button to work. And then it changes you look at the keyboard on this laptop, how the color temperature changes. So that's really good. I mean, it's very good to be able to change the color temperature like this. You can match the color you want. So this is, especially you can set the camera color temperature manually, how I do it when I make the videos on the desk. The color temperature of the lights and the camera color temperature are manually set, and that's how it looks like on the screen. If the bezel of the screen you're using is very narrow, very thin, this might be a problem, but you could actually put something under the base, under it, so it sits a little bit higher. This is €10, $9.99 here in Cyprus in IKEA, and that's how easy it is to change the color temperature. If the power was more, that would be actually a really great option to use it for the videos, but because the power is so low, this is mostly useful for video calls, or even if you're making videos on facing you, so the light is facing you and it's not blinding, it's not too powerful. Maybe they will make future versions which are more powerful of this. They already have a ring light, which is pretty good, but this is nicer. It's a compact version of the ring light. So yeah, I like that. That's how the box looks like. Thanks for watching.